Okay, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera Madam Hajar. So today our group gonna present mini project 2 SID. So before we continue, I would like to introducing ourselves. So my name is Muhammad Fazim bin Muhammad Jabiruddin. My nometric is F25DDT23F1050.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Batuddin bin Muhammad Aziman. Number metric 25 DDT 23F1115.
Hello, my name is Shahazran bin Shahruddin, 25DTF1904.
Okay, so for table of content, we have introduction, input and output interface design principle, testing, system implementation, system support and security checklist, and lastly, conclusion.
This slide outlines the process of creating a digital product by student team focusing on user interface, UI designs. As the project manager, I lead the team in developing features, ensuring a user-centered design and managing testing. The slide covers the design of the key page like home, sign up, sign in, and contact us, and explain how this contribute to good user experience. It also discusses user-centered design principle, testing method, and the system implementations. The goal is to show how good UI design and testing improve the system usability and reliability. Okay, we go to the home interface design. As you can see, home page design can show the login page, login sections, and we have search bar, and we have a purchase trolley, and we have a name of websites, and we have banner, we have items that can show directly what user wants. Then we go to the sign ups. For sign up, this interface for the newcomer user can create a new account. So as you can see, they have detail for user to create their account by enter their name, their email, their password, and just click for sign up. For user that have already account, they can click blue word that is sign in, and there is sign in. For sign in is for after create account or user already have a account. So as in the sign in, user can see welcoming words, and user can log in by Google's, or user can create an account for if user do not have account. Okay, then we go to the next part. In the website we have contact about us, contact us, or contact or about us. So in the interface, they introduce about the website purpose meant for. So in the about us can intro to the newcomer or new user, see what we do the website, and then we have we have a contact us. So contact us, we can go to the user can contact, so user can contact developer to interact or have something they want to share, or they want to message for to contact us. Yeah. Okay, and then for the item option or e-catalog, we have show the option for user can choose what the item they they want. And then we have payment and report. For the payment, uh, they can user can see their payment option and payment detail about the items for the purchase. And then uh, after that, the payment can show the receipt to the user. For the report, user can report the bug or website if something the developer not notice for website.
On my part, I will talk about interface design principle. So this is our user-centered design in CyberGo. And user-centered design is an approach that prioritizes the need, behavior, and expectation of user throughout the development process. In CyberGo, this method was applied by focusing on two key principles, which is consistency and feedback, to make the system easier to use, minimize confusion, and provide a smooth, efficient experience for both shopper and administrator. So the first one we choose are about principle one is about consistency. So consistency means that similar element in the system behave and appear the same way throughout the interface. This makes CyberGo predictable and easier to use and help user to feel more confident, especially new user who are still learning the system. Then there is a visual consistency. So the entire site use the same font style, size, and color scheme. For example, blue, white, and gray. And along with the uniform button style like a rounded corner and a hover effect. This help user quickly recognize what is interactive. And then, and then it's about functional consistency. So it is important feature like add to cart, login, and search are always placed in the same position across all pages. So user don't have to search for them. The one is about internal consistency. So the same word and term are used throughout the site. For example, we always use checkout instead of switching between buy now or pay, which help reduce confusion. For example, whether a user in a desktop or mobile device, product details are shown using the same layout, with spec, price, and purchase button arranged in the same way. This helps user move between devices without having to relearn the interface. Then the second principle we use are about feedback. So feedback is a crucial because it lets users to know the system responding to their action, helping them stay informed and confident while using the system. So immediate feedback, when user hover over or click a button, it changes color or show a loading animation, confirming that the system is responding. Then form validation. When signing up, user are instantly notified if their password is weak or if the email format is correct, allowing them to click issue on the spot. Then the confirmation message, the important action like registering or make a payment user receive a clear success message such as order confirmed or welcome to CyberGo. For example, once a purchase is complete, CyberGo provides both a pop-up confirmation and email receipt, reassuring user that their transaction was successful. And then I will continue talking about basis of data capture devices. The first one is about keyboard and mouse. So it is standard input for desktop user. The primary input method for CyberGo user on desktop or laptop is the keyboard and mouse. The interface includes clear from fields, digital tab sequence, and power enable button to enhance usability. User can efficiently register and log in, search for laptop model, input billing and shipping information, navigate product pages and complete payments. Then the design pack, it optimize input form and button sizing to ensure fast, accurate data entry with minimal error. And the second one is touchscreen devices such as mobile and tablet users. So CyberGo use a responsive design to optimize the shopping experience on smartphone and tablets. Key features include large thumb-friendly button such as 40x, 48 times 48 pixel minimum, and then easy vertical scrolling through product listing, mobile optimized drop-down and modal dialogues, then automatic adjustment for on-screen keyboard. Then the design pack is a touch-friendly layout ensures smooth accessibility shopping experience, reducing frustration and enhancing usability for mobile user. The one is The one is barcode scanner, which is for admin use, inventory management. So CyberGo admin interface support barcode scanner for efficient inventory management. So the key feature include scanning laptop model, number or serial number directly into the product ID field. It is simplified bulk loading through a scan to form entry. So the design pack reduce manual input error and speed up product registration and streamlines warehouse or store product operation. The last but not least about voice input. So accessibility enhancements can put it as enhancement. So CyberGo interface is designed with speeches voice input capability to enhance accessibility. So the key feature include searching for laptop models using voice command. For example, search for their laptops and it will navigate you. And then it is hands-free system navigation. It is also verbal action like add to cart. So the design fact will support improved accessibility for users with disability and those who prefer hands-free interaction, enhancing the overall user experience. So I will be continue talking about testing categories implemented in the system. Alright, to ensure CyberGo operate efficiently and provide a smooth user experience, two main category of testing were implemented, which is unit testing in a class of functional testing and performance testing in the class of non-functional testing. So these tests help verify the system functionality and its performance under various conditions. So we are choosing functional testing and non-functional testing because um, for a system like CyberGo, it's essential for ensuring that each component or module works as expected, both in isolation and within the broader system. So the main reason for selecting different functional tests lies in the diversity of tasks that need to be verified. So the first one is unit testing. Unit testing focus on testing individual modules or component of the system to ensure they perform their specific tasks correctly and independently. In the CyberGo system, unit testing was applied to key features like the user login, registration, product filtering, and the add to cart functionality. For example, your login module will test to ensure it accurately validates user input, provide appropriate error message for encrypt password or empty fields, and securely handle password verification through hash function. This type of testing help developers identify bug early, ensuring each component was functioning properly before integration with other part of the system. So the approach improve the overall code quality and reduce the number of issues encountered later in the development process. And then I will talk about the non-functional testing, which is the performance testing. So performance testing assess how well the system perform under different conditions, particularly in the term of speed, responsiveness, and stability when subjected to a high load. In CyberGo, performance testing were used to evaluate how the system handles scenarios such as multiple user browsing laptop, applying filters, and completing purchase simultaneously. For instance, the search feature was tested to ensure its return result within 2 seconds, even when the database contained a large number of products. And when multiple users were searching at the same time, this testing helped confirm that CyberGo remained responsive during a peak usage time, preventing confirm that CyberGo remains my bad, preventing any delay or crash that could impact the user's experience. By ensuring the system stability under load, performance testing play a critical role in maintaining a high quality, reliable shopping experience for all users. Talk about system implementation, which is step by step to website variation. All is we need to search for our website, which our site is about CyberGo. So our website is www.cybergo.com.my. Then the homepage of CyberGo website is a display. There's a search bar. There's a login. There's a UI that display. So this is evaluation process. So the button at the top of the page allows visitors to log in or establish an account. And if you do not have an account, you can register an account and they will send to a registration page. After clicking the login and choose to create a new account, which way they must provide the necessary data to establish a new account. Then for those who already have an account, this is the interface. Then To access their dashboard, they must provide their login and password. And then, user can make purchase for specific services offered by Cybergo on the payment page or throughout service overview. A list of accepted payment is an option and a section for confirmation are included on the website. The system creates an official payment receipt when the payment is finished, which may be saved, printed for your records. Then this is an interface to discover high performance laptops tailored to your browsing history as displayed on the photo. And then each product is carefully selected to match your preference, ensuring find the perfect device for work, gaming, or creativity. Moreover, you can use add to cart feature to easily add any items you want. And then on the right side, user can use the contact us page if they have any question or experience any difficulties with product. For the convenience of the user, this area includes the report form, email for services, and contact information, and also including phone number.
Okay, next is system support and security checklist. Okay, for the first one is security checklist. In security checklist, we have 10 criteria. First one is visual design. Second one is structure content, layout, product information, support materials, assessment and feedback, accessibility, usability, user interface, engagement, interactive, and lastly is flexibility. So this security checklist is used to make sure websites are easy to use and secure. It cover things like having a clear navigation bar and search function, providing accurate information, and making it easy for user to sign up or buy things. It also emphasizes the importance of having good product detail, support material, and way of user to give feedback. The checklist ensure the website is accessible, engaging, and works well on different devices. Okay, so for the next one is maintenance. In maintenance, we have 7 pages based on the picture. For the page 1 is user feedback collection. This page involves gathering feedback from user. The goal is to understand what the user likes and dislikes and what improvement they would like to see. Second phase is feature request analysis. On feedback is collected, the team analysis will determine which features are most requested and beneficial. This involves prioritizing features based on their potential impact on user satisfaction and business goal. Phase 3 is bug identification and prioritization. In this phase, the team identify any bugs or issues that need to be fixed. The bugs are then prioritized based on their severity and impact on the user experience. So, phase 4, update planning. This includes deciding on the scope of the change, the timeline for implementation, and the resource required. Phase 5 is development and integration. Once the changes are made, they are integrate into the existing system to ensure everything works together and smoothly. Phase 6 is quality assurance and testing. This phase is crucial for maintaining the quality and reliability of the system. And for the last one, phase 7, release and deployment. The final phase involves releasing the update system to user. This includes deploying the change to the environment to the live environment, which may involving updating server, database, or other component of the system. Okay, for the next one is system security. In system security, we have 6 system features that we already embedded in our system. So for the first one is strategic framework. First, we're gonna start by setting a recognized security standard such as ISO 27001 to guide your security practice. Next is security objective. We can define your security goals to make sure they support your overall business strategy. Next one is identify risks and vulnerabilities. It conduct assessment to understand the threat and weakness in your system. Map these risks to your assets and evaluate how they interact with your existing security control. Okay, next one is develop implementation plan. It clearly assign roles, responsibilities, and timelines to ensure everyone knows their part in the process. And next one is build awareness to encourage feedback to make continuous improvement and provide training. It also ensure everyone to understand their role in maintaining security. So for the last one is implement. Oversee the development and integration of security feature into your system. It train your team on how to use this new feature effectively and ensure that technical teams have the resource and support they need to success. Okay, so for the last one is backup. In backup, we have 4 backup method to make sure our data is secure. For the first one is cloud-based backup service. This method involves sending copies of your data to server on the internet. It's like having a safe offsite where you can store your important file. Next one is external hard drive. This is a physical device you can plug into your computer to save copies of your file. It's like having a portable safe that you can carry around. The next one is network attached storage, or other name is NAS. This is a dedicated device on your network that multiple computer can use, store and share data. It's like a share safe in your office that everyone can access. And for the last one is tape backup. This traditional method use a magnetic tape to record data. It's like writing down important information on a piece of paper and keep it in a safe place. Okay, so in conclusion, the development of CyberGo emphasizes the importance of user-friendly design through testing and secure development in building a successful online shopping system. By applying user-centered design principle, we create a platform that is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and efficient for both customer and administrator. Functional and performance testing ensure the system is reliable and responsive under various usage scenarios. A clear installation process also support smooth deployment in different environments. Beyond the technical aspect, this project strengthens our skill in planning, collaboration, and problem solving. CyberGo meets current e-commerce needs while providing a strong foundation for future growth and sustainability.